टोक्यो ओलंपिक में ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीतने वाले हिंदुस्तानी बैडमिंटन स्टार पीवी सिंधु का आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार की जानिब से आंध्र प्रदेश के विजयवाड़ा में शानदार इस्तकबाल किया गया। पीवी सिंधु 2 ओलंपिक मेडल हासिल करने वाली मुल्क की पहली खातून बनी। इस मौके पर सिंधु ने कहा कि वो यहां आकर बहुत खुश है। साथ ही उन्होंने अपने वालिदैन का भी शुक्रिया अदा किया। पीवी सिंधु ने कहा है कि इस मकाम तक पहुंचने के लिए मेरे वालिदैन ने बहुत ताउन किया। आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार ने सिंधु को 30 लाख रुपए की इनामी रकम देने का ऐलान किया है। पहलवान सुशील कुमार के बाद लगातार 2 ओलंपिक मेडल जीतने वाली सिंधु दूसरी हिंदुस्तानी खिलाड़ी हैं।
I am very happy to be here. I would like to thank Sports Minister Sir, Chief Secretary Sir, and all the collectors here, and also Mayor Madam, and a lot of people here. I would a special thanks to all of them, because whatever I ask, whenever I come to Vijayawada, they've always been there, very supportive all the time. And also to all the associations. I feel very happy. Of course, I'm very thankful to my parents, because they've been very, very supportive. They themselves have been volleyball players, so I'm very happy to have them as my parents, and I'm very lucky.
Had your ice cream yet?
No, not yet.
One of the very happiest moment, not only for government of Andhra Pradesh, for all the people, Telugu people around the world, because continuously achieving 2 Olympic medals is not a easy thing. So I convey my sincere congratulations and compliments on my own behalf and on behalf of the government of Andhra Pradesh, on behalf of our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy. So to this PV Sindhu and our family. Because our family, both the parents are also, they are national players. So definitely she gave a very great inspiration to the youth of this nation. Always Swami Vivekananda says, youth is the hope of the nation. They can do anything and everything. Nothing is impossible. Arise, awaken also. So really she is a brand ambassador for of the Indian youth.